Good day, sir, madam. I'm Lenny Aragones, 32 years old, married.
Okay, so are you a college graduate?
Yes, I am graduate.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earn money and help my family.
Hello, Miss Lainey. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Have you worked in abroad before?
No?
Have you worked as a domestic helper here in the Philippines?
Yes, I am.
So how many members of the family have you served?
5 members, 3 adults, and 2 children.
How old the children?
18 and 21 years old.
Okay, so do you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, I am.
Can you please tell me how to take care of newborn baby or the children?
Feed them, take a bath, teach them, and tell stories.
Okay, so can you sing a children's song?
Yes, I can see.
Please try.
Itsy bitsy spider without a spot. Again, down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Okay, ma'am. So, what are your main duties?
Laundry and household.
Okay, so can you cook?
Yes, I am.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
Filipino food.
Can you follow recipe book?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so describe your personal character.
I am hardworking, loyal, and honest.
Okay, so how do you perform as a good domestic helper? Will you follow all the rules and regulations of your employer?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so will you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, I promise.
Okay, thank you.